that's an issue, but I'm okay.
You guys saw what's up?
Tell your friends it was nice to meet them, but I hope I never see them again. I hope it breaks your heart. Moved to the city in a broke down car, and 4 years no calls, and now you're looking pretty in a hotel bar, and I can't stop. No, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford, but the tattoo on your shoulder, she's right off the corner. All the matches that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder, we ain't never getting over. We ain't never getting over. We ain't never getting over. We ain't never getting over.
And play that Blink-182 song that we beat to death in Tucson, okay? I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city in a broke down car, and 4 years no call, and now looking pretty in a hotel bar, and I can't stop. No, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford, but that tattoo on your shoulder, all the sheets right off the corner,
All the matches that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder,
we ain't never getting over. We ain't never getting over.
no, we ain't never getting over. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover
And I know you can't afford,
but that tattoo on your shoulder,
all the sheets right off the corner,
all the matches that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't ever getting older. We ain't ever getting older.
we ain't ever getting older.
We ain't ever getting older. We ain't ever getting older. We ain't ever getting older.
We ain't ever getting older.
We ain't ever getting older.
We ain't ever getting older. We ain't ever getting older. No, we ain't ever getting older.
We ain't ever getting older. One more time.
We ain't ever getting
We
older.
ain't ever getting older. Thank you guys. You thought it was done, huh?
Maraming salamat po. We love you guys. I hope we make you happy. Do we make you happy? We're glad we do. The pleasure is all ours. We love you too. So our next song is for everyone who misses Dolce Amore.
You guys want to catch
If you know
So
the
you
song,
guys
sing
sing this song.
along.
Please sing with us. It's our last
This
song
to be a
together,
happy
guys.
song po, ha?
Everybody sit down. Come on.
Guys have to go back to your seat. It's gonna become a fire hazard. It's gonna be dangerous for everybody. Please go back to your seats.
You're the one that I can't wait to see.
Thank you.
With you here by my side, I'm in
Everybody,
ecstasy.
please. Oh, it gotta be clear.
I am all alone without you. Days are dark without a glimpse of you.
inside. Your love is like the river that flows down through our veins. I feel the chill inside.
I love you. Navy, New Jersey. You guys are sexy and awesome. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
Every time I hear our music play, reminds me of the things that we've been through. In my mind, I can't believe it's true, but in my heart, the reality is you.
'Cause I'm all alone without you. My days are dark without a glimpse of you. But now you came into my life, I feel complete. The flowers bloom, my morning shines, and I can see. Everybody!
Your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. Your love is like the river that flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside. Your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. Your love is like the river that flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside. Your love, your love, your love, your love.
Thank you. Thank you guys so much. Now, I promise you guys, this is it.
Excuse me. Andito na si Dulce Amor. Ay, guys, palakpakan niyo mo. Palakpakan niyo naman. Liza Soberano and Enrique Hill. Lahat ng mga kinikilig, I wanna hear you all. My gosh, look at my followers. I have a question. Kasi
Naman.
alam ko naman, kararating nyo lang din ng New Jersey. O Enrique, saan mo ba pinasyal dito si Liza? I mean,
yeah, the big haunted house.
Ay, oo nga, I heard.
We went to the haunted house.
Saan yun?
That was about 40-minute drive out. It was really far.
Alam niyo po yun? Haunted house, 40 minutes.
Or at the
Haunted Scare House?
Haunted Scare House.
How was it? Kumusta naman?
We wanted to go to the Pain haunted house, but it was closed. So.
Yeah.
Aww.
Actually, we wanted to go to like
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
Alpine.
Oh my God, it's amazing. Yes. Napakagandang bata nito. Oh. Diyos ko, para lang akong nananalam yan. Let's talk about you, okay? Matanong ko lang, I'm curious, what's been the sweetest of Bisaya?
Today, today.
Ay, Bisaya, sad din, no?
Sweet man guys, sweet.
And then ganito na lang, what has been the sweetest thing na nagawa niyo for each other? Oh, kasi I'm sure lahat sila gustong marinig yun. Oh, let's start with the gentleman.
Daghan man. Yeah, marami, sabi ko. Pero,
Kala ko kung ano na sinasabi nito.
minsan, para sa kasi yung sweet, yung mga simple lang na, minsan sa gabi, tulog na siya, tapos tatawag, tapos, ano, I love you. Sina? Oh wait, I love you.
Alam mo, sweet yan.
Una, pag sagot masungit, ano? Sige.
O may reaction, sandali lang, may
Works
reaction.
every time.
Sandali lang, Enrique, may reaction si Liza, no?
Wait lang, ano sabi niya? Siya tumatawag o ako? Tumatawag?
Ako.
Kala ko ako sinasabi.
Ako tinatawagan niya, Liza.
Ang pinaka-sweet na hindi ko naisip eh.
kayong pinaka-sweet mong nagawa for Ken?
Marami naman. Yung surprise.
Surprise. Hindi, tsaka nung shooting, nung nagkasakit ako, siya yung... pagising ko sa umaga, bumili may sabaw na mainit doon na bumili.
Sa Tagaytay. Anong bulalo?
Bulalo, mainit na bulalo.
Maganda na, mabait pa, maalaga. Ano pang hahanapin mo?
Si Poka, joke lang.
Ken, respect me. Ito na lang, last, para sa mga fans. So, I know, lahat kayo nanonood ng Dolce Amore, right? Right? So, the two of you, anong susunod na i-expect ng inyong mga fans? Anong sunod? After Dolce Amore, pwede na bang i-reveal? Meron pa kayong kailangang i-share? Pwedeng i-share?
Yung movie na sinabi ko kanina.
Yes, My Ex and Wives po coming this year.
This November, so...
Don't say November also. This November. This November na po yan, directed by Direk Cathy Garcia Molina. So, sana po manood po kayo.
Obligado
Pero
si
syempre,
Carl.
hindi November dito ipapalabas. So, sana mapanood niyo.
May
din po.
December, so...
O, diba? Manonood ba kayo? Manonood ba kayo?
Promise?
Ayan ha, promise ha, promise. O, sandali lang ha, sandali lang. Sa mga yung mga nandito sa harap, huwag masyadong lumapit dito, baka mahulugan kayo ng speaker, ha? At saka kung saan kayo naka-assign, doon lang kayo. Pag may nakita akong lumapit dito, kasabi pamalo ko. At saka, just one request, because I know you're all very excited to be with Liza and Ken, and later on, Sian and Kim. Pakiusap lang po, maglalambing lang, kasi we have a show, after this, we have a show in Houston. So pwede po natin sanang ilambing lang muna yung Facebook Live, kung pwede lang po, para hindi man ma-preempt. Kung gusto nyo mag-video, i-video na lang muna, tapos i-save nyo, tapos i-post nyo na lang sa Facebook next year. Okay ba yan? Okay, so guys, one more time for the very handsome Enrique Hill and the very beautiful Liza Soberano.
Thank you, guys. Ito na talaga, guys. Promise you, guys. Mr. Sialam!
Thanks for each other. Kumusta po kayo lahat?
No, did you all have fun?
You guys, kasabay. You guys want more? Isa pa, you guys want more? Alright.
O kayo, may sasabihin kayo?
Enrique, usually, sa'yo ko nakuha to eh. I swear, I got it from you. You're doing a good job, bro. What up, baby? Alright, y'all want more? No, pero bago po ang lahat, all jokes aside, magpapasalamat po kami. Again, Marema Productions, to our producers, Tita Marilyn and Tita Emma, maraming salamat po. And sa lahat po ng pumunta, maraming salamat.
Thank you guys for bringing us here. And thank you to all the... Liza! To everybody who came here. Thank you guys so much.
Hi everybody again. I just want to say thank you so much for coming here, for putting in all this effort to see us and to show us your love. Thank you guys. We love you too. And this is for you guys.
Yes. I do believe, ladies and gentlemen. Wait! Ready na ba kayo mag-selfie?
O mag-selfie naman tayo. Selfie muna tayo.
You wanna join on our selfie?
Can you turn on the lights?
Lights please. Nagbayad na.
House lights!
The house lights, the
Yeah.
district lights.
Yan, nagbayad naman kami ng kuryente eh. Sige na please.
Ito na.
Okay? Okay?
O sige, pag-picturean mo sila, tayo lang din makakakita.
Oo ha? Ready na kayo?
Hindi may light dapat.
Asan yung lights?
Let there be light.
We requested for lights please.
Oh, thank you so much.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, there you go.
If we can
Thank
just
you so
compress,
much.
compress. Yeah, there you go. Selfie.
Si Sian ay
Yun mas matangkad.
Sige.
Ayan.
Human selfie stick.
Ayan.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Smile. One more. 1, 2, 3.
Yay! Guys, thank you again for this one magical night here in New
Thank you
Jersey.
guys. Maraming salamat.
And we would like to thank again all our kababayans who came all the way here, spent your night here with this 4 lovely people. And once again, a big hand for Liza Soberano, Enrique Hill, Sian Lim, and Kim Chu.
Guys, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.
Okay, cut
Ito
the
po.
lights.
Yes, one more song para po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat.
Sponsors.
Sponsors.
Nawala si Ate Cherry. Hello. On.
Sandali lang hinahanap ko.
We gotta thank all the sponsors.
Okay, ayun na, nawala. Nagbagi lang po, nag-text lang. Ayun.
Here, thank you, Bercy LLC, Tita Lerma Kailes, Novo Nordisk, Miss Christine Sakdalan, Miss Miriam Hernandez of Towncraft, Hope International, Valeza Lifestyle, Balico Marine Services.
And we would also like to thank SMDC, Jollibee, and Maxis.
Miss Marie Spanilio, Phil Am Trading, East West Bank. Thank you guys so much.
Dr. Kevin E. of Bradley Dental Group, Bodyworks Rehab,
Glazie's Ultimate Salon, John Militar Photography and Video, Smart Life Global PLDT USA, baby.
Miss Jo Padua, Tipon of Joe's Flowers, CCU of New York, Presbyterian Nurses, Joji Reyes Ortega,
Babu Shack,
Mel Castelvi,
Dr. Marisa Santos.
Thank you guys.
Jared Martin and Erno Hormiliosa. I hope I said that
And of
right.
course, magpasalamat tayo kay
Poca!
Guys, everybody give it up for Poca,
Palakpakan
baby.
natin si Poca.
And to
Sobrang
all the
funny niya.
volunteers, maraming salamat. To all the fan groups, Liz, Ken, Kim C, maraming salamat po. To our Cat G team, Alexander, maraming salamat.
And also to our production team, Tita Portia Morales, and the
Cams
cast-
David, Lester Villarama, Dana Panganiban, and Reyna Paraiso. Thank you guys so much.
Yes, thank you very much. Sa lahat na nandito, maraming pang salamat.
Ito po, one last song for you guys. Okay lang ba bumaba kami dyan?
Everybody can get up their seats. Everyone.
Sabay natin sila.
Let's celebrate! Thank you so much!
Stars, thank you guys so much. You've been awesome, guys.
I had a dream so big and loud. Jump so high and touch the clouds. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Whoa, oh, 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 oh.
Stretch my hands up to the sky. Dance with monsters through the night. Whoa, I'm never gonna look back.
Oh, I'm
Never gonna give it up. No, please don't wake me now.
This is gonna be the best day of my life. My life. This is gonna be the best day of my life. My life. The moon and friends, and then the sun came crashing in. Oh, 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 oh.
Thank you guys. I'm never gonna look back.
Just don't wake me now. This should be the best day of my life. My life. This should be the best day of my life. My life.
Go, go, dancers, napakagaling nila.
Yes, ang dami nilang sinayaw. Thank you so much, guys. Good job.
Thank you, sir, dancers. Maraming salamat, guys.
Thank you guys. Everyone come here.
See you guys at the meet and greet.
And again, a quick announcement to all our VIPs. Please remain seated and you can stay for this, for the next thing, okay? VIPs, thank you again, everyone. God bless.
Yes, you heard them. We would like to request all the VIP